Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Review Lab. Today I am going to talk in this video about best robot vacuum that you should buy. Let's do started. Number 1. Roborock S6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. Astonishingly efficient, using adaptive routing with edge-optimized cleaning, S6 gives you comprehensive room cleaning fast. Multi-floor mapping, save multiple maps, along with no-go zones for each level, all recognized automatically by the robot. Convenient selective room cleaning, choose which rooms to be cleaned, and schedule cleaning for specific rooms. Powerful clean and easy mopping, intense suction, cleans deep into carpets and cracks in the floor. Quiet and convenient, with a cleaning volume of just 67 dB, equivalent to a typical conversation. In balanced mode, you can clean anytime day or night without disruption. A floating main brush keeps the brush at the optimum height for cleaning regardless of floor type. The variable side brush speeds up to clear corner dirt, but slows away from edges to prevent flicking dirt around the room. 2000 pascals of suction power, enough to lift AA batteries, easily lifts dirt off hardwood floors and dredges it up from deep inside carpet fibers. Number 2. Roborock S6 Pure Robot Vacuum with Navigation. Powerful 2000 pascals suction with automatic carpet boost. Strong suction easily lifts dust from floors. Automatic carpet boost switches to full power on carpets for deeper cleaning. Convenient selective room cleaning. Choose which rooms to be clean and schedule cleaning for specific rooms to fit your needs and preferences. Number 3. Trifo Robot Vacuum with 1080p cameras for smart. Robot vacuum with the most powerful cleaning suction on the market. With a large 600 ml dustbin and washable main filter, Trifo is a reliable helper for big house cleanings. Effectively collects dirt, wipes stains, and deeply cleans both floors and medium carpets. Replacing the roller brush with a pet hair extractor adds 33% more suction power so that pet hair can be picked up more effectively. Turn on the video function of robot vacuum and you can see the status of pets, check for open doors or windows. Capture images and use the microphone to speak through the robotic vacuum cleaner, bringing you a higher degree of safety and control. Number 4. Zuzi Robot Vacuum with 5 GHz Smart Navigation. The blower from Nidec is applied to provide your robot vacuum with continuous strong suction power. The maximum suction power of 3500 PA makes your home spotless. LG batteries provide 240 minutes of running time for your robot vacuum cleaner. Clean your large house of 300 square meters at a time. The ranging frequency of the intelligent LiDAR is 4000 times per second and the scanning radius is 8 meters to optimize coverage, and the full suite of sensors helps thoroughly clean your home. With the no mop zone, set an area for vacuuming only mode for your carpet, so as to avoid the carpet when the robot is in mopping mode. Equipped with a MediaTek A35 chip, it can continuously optimize the algorithm of the robot vacuum cleaner. With this chip, it will be trained in the cleaning process and become smarter. Zuzi Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the first one in the market that is compatible with 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Automatically return to the charging base. Never worry about your robot vacuum can't connect to your home network. Number 5. UFI Boost IQ11S Robot Vacuum Cleaner Super Thin. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. Automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. RoboVac 11S, remote control charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide and our worry-free 12-month warranty.
Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.